Hi, you're welcome to Curiosity TV. Today I'll be showing you how I'll be promoting Clickbank Product Live. How you can promote your Clickbank product, how you can promote your Clickbank product online, how you can promote your Clickbank product. First of all, go to a Clickbank account. I'm now on Clickbank account. You can click on login. If you don't have account on this platform already, this platform is an affiliate platform where people upload their product. Then affiliate people went there, that is a reseller, they went there, they help people sell their products on this platform. They help people sell their products on this platform. So on this platform, once you make sales, you'll be given a simple commission. So how you can register, you input your country, first name, last name, then your phone number, email address, password, and etc. So since I already have account, I will need to log in, then grab my affiliate link for the product I intend promoting. So it's now loading. So you go to the affiliate marketplace. That's what we need. Go to the affiliate marketplace, then you scroll down. The top niche is the health and fitness niche. Top niche is the health, and we can place the fast. This is the fast selling product presently on Clickbank. So let me show you how you can identify that. Just click on this search button. It's going to take you to product based on gravity. Going to take you to all the product based on gravity. That is the highest selling product. You can see Ezekiel is number 1, Java Bond number 2. Then we have Okinawa Flatbed Numerologist number 3. All these are fast selling products on this platform. So then you click on promote to get your affiliate link. Since I already have my own affiliate link, I'm going to have a track here where I input on my affiliate link. Then you go to bit.ly.com. Go to bit.ly.com. So I'm now on bit.ly.com. So I'll be promoting a product named Java Bond again. Product named Java Bond. So this is the product I'm promoting. So today we'll be using Pinterest. Pinterest is also one of the top platform online. You can go today to start promoting your product and get quality traffic to your product. So since I already have an account on Pinterest, then let me show you how I create pins on this account. People are making sales just promoting their products with Pinterest too. Promote their product with Pinterest. Go to www.canva.com. Now I'm now on canva.com. Then you can just scroll forward. Let's check if there is any Pinterest. Search for Pinterest. Search for Pinterest. You can see Pinterest pin. You can see Pinterest pin. Then you click on Pinterest. You click on Pinterest pin. Once you have clicked on that, you'll be taken to the pins. On the platform, you'll be taken to pins on the platform. You'll be taken to pins on the platform. Now you can just scroll down. So let's assume we are promoting a health niche pin, or you can just choose any one of the templates available here. Since we don't need anything, we can just add let's see, this is not that perfect. Let me look what relates to the product I'm promoting. Let's choose this. Then you can start designing the yeah, this is paid pics. You can't use that. We need free pin. Let me cancel this. Let's see. Let's choose this. So this is free. Okay, this is free. Let's just remove all this K because this even looks like coffee. So I just type no, this is not free. This is also with watermark. Check clicking. Then what? You click on published. Check out your post. Wow, yes, let's really publish the post. This is it. So this is our affiliate link. So once they click on our affiliate links, what to take them direct what to where to take them direct to our affiliate offer. You can still pin it on this comment. on this comment box. Okay, this is our pin. Can also re-edit it if you intend re-editing it. So I want to make this link clickable. I want to make it clickable. Think there is, we are even give opportunity what to add the link as a website. Then alt text for the image. Can add what weight loss. Then we save the pin. So now hopefully we get some click. Now once they click on this link, it will take them direct to where? To our affiliate link, to our affiliate what offer. You can see Java bomb, if you can see. So that's just how you can get cool and quality traffic. You can try it and try it again. In contrast to all this, you can see this would link them to YouTube. Let's check where this link them to. This link them to no, it just link them to YouTube. They will need to click on this, but this is link them to YouTube. But look at the quality of this. So that's just it for the day. That's just it. Thanks for watching today's video. Please kindly hit the notification bell and the subscribe button so you'll be the first to be notified anytime I drop awesome video just like this. Thanks.